up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazz. If you don't know, now you do. And how are you guys? How are you doing? I know it's been a minute, but I am going to be trying to film more often. My setup is going to be actually a little bit different coming up. I'll tell you guys why, but I'm trying to just figure some things out. That's why I haven't been able to film. But I did want to jump on camera. I know my makeup is a little crazy. It's been a long day. I was at work. It's like 9 o'clock at night, but I just wanted to jump on camera. I was in the mood. So I wanted to actually go over stuff that I'm decluttering. Yes, girl. I got some palettes that I need to just get rid of. I have so many palettes, so I'm trying to just like declutter some stuff. You know, I feel like you need to do that. Even things that I love, you'll see in here, but it was time. They're either expired or I've had them for a really long time. So that's what we're gonna do today. So let me just shut up and move right along. All right, so like I said, this is all stuff that I'm decluttering, need to get rid of. Yeah, it's not a lot, but kind of a lot. So first is gonna be these palettes. I actually barely got these last year. I think they're, let me see. Usually says on here how long you're supposed to keep them for. 12 months, so I guess it's been a year anyways. But these are the Friends collab with Makeup Revolution. These were really cute palettes. I, of course, love them because they're Friends. But honestly, I didn't use them. I didn't gravitate towards them. I used them like a couple times, and that was it. It just didn't gravitate towards them. Like, they're pretty colors, but I feel like I just have so much better quality palettes that I use all the time. So I didn't use them. So I might give them away since they're not super old and I only used them a couple times. But I need to give these away. Like I said, I got these like last year. So they're super cute. I love the packaging. You know me and Friends. But I gotta let them go. So then next is, next is my Anastasia palettes. I've had these since my Ulta days. And I worked at Ulta back in, what, 2017? So these are at least almost 5 years old. Your girl needs to let them go. I absolutely love this palette. I absolutely love this palette. This is the Modern Renaissance palette. I know all of y'all love this just as much. As you can tell, I got some good use out of it. These two colors, Primavera, and then this color right here, the two shimmers. So gorgeous, so beautiful. Perfect for like a bride, or I mean every day basically, but for like a bride, that's like what I envision when I get married one day, is definitely a color like that. So I might have to repurchase her, but she is a gorgeous palette. I love her, but like I said, she expired and I need to let her go. So letting her go. Letting go the Norvina palette. Same thing. Wear and Tear. Beautiful colors. Anastasia Beverly Hills formula is amazing. But like I said, I need to let them go. It's been a good 4 or 5 years almost. It's that time that I need to let them go. And then last is the Rivera palette, which this one is another one that's so pretty. This one, I feel like I didn't really touch too much of like these colors, but I definitely use those shimmers. Those shimmers are gorgeous. Like I said, it's not that I don't like these palettes. I've just had them for so long. But these are the 3 Anastasia palettes that I need to let go of. Like I said, it's just time. And then next two that I'm giving up are my 2 Juvia's Place palettes. Honestly, the formula is amazing. I love Juvia's Place, but your girl just don't use that many colorful colors anymore. I mean, I know I'm kind of like contradicting myself considering I have pink and purple on my eyes now. But like I said, I have so many palettes. It's just ridiculous. So I'm like, do I really need to keep these all that much longer? Probably not, because I don't gravitate towards them anymore. Like I said, the formula is amazing, but I just don't gravitate towards them. So this one is the Zulu Palette. And then this one is the Warrior 3 palette. Another beautiful palette. These I haven't had for long. I want to say it's been about 2 years. I want to say I've had these for about 2 years. So not that long. I know technically palettes are, see, these say 24 months, 2 years. But I might just give these away to a friend and see if they want them. So there are those two. Then the last palettes I've had for about, I think, at least a year. I know definitely I've had for at least a year. But this is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder palette. Super great formula. Her formula is amazing. The colors are gorgeous. Like I said, I just have so many of these colors already. I don't really use it that much. So this I got in BoxyCharm, I remember. So like I said, it's at least been a year or two. And then there's 3 products that I've just had for a long time and I just need to get rid of them. These 2 are blushes. This is the Flower Pot, what brand is this? Flower Beauty Flower Pot Powder Blush. This is Peach Primrose. As you can tell, like, it's like a peachy color. I absolutely love this blush. It is so pretty on the skin. It's just amazing. It's like the perfect peach. And then the other blush I have is Note. And this is in the color Desert Rose. I think this one's a peachy one too. Yeah. So here's another peachy one. I've honestly had these for at least like 3+ years. I know I got this one in BoxyCharm, and this one I bought like with my own money. Well, BoxyCharm, you buy with your own money too. But like, I bought this one. And honestly, I just need to let them go. I have so many blushes that I need to get through, but those 2 are definitely great colors. And then the last thing is the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronzer. This was my shit. Like, I didn't even use the whole thing, but I know I've had this bad boy for at least 2 years, if not more. I know this was my second one that I went through. This sticker isn't part of it. I just put a Lights Label sticker on it. But this was my shit. Like I said, this big old thing, this is my second one ever since it came out. And it just is so good, looks so good on the skin. It's not too orangey, it's not too cool tone. And unfortunately, Marc Jacobs is like going through like a rebranding, so you can't get it. So like, I want to recommend it, but like when they come back, you know. So, but I really do love this bronzer. I've just had it for so long and I need to get rid of her. So that was everything. I'm gonna throw it all in here. So that was probably like the shortest video I've ever done. I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. Maybe a little conversation. I know I haven't been able to do a lot of videos, so I was in the mood. I wanted to. So that is what I'm decluttering as of right now. I really should be decluttering a lot more, but I'm not doing it yet. So just a little bit here and there, because you know, makeup is expensive and I love my makeup. I don't want to let it go, but I know I need to. So slowly but surely, I'm going to be decluttering a little bit more. Once again, I just want to thank you guys so much for always watching my videos. That concludes everything for today's video. Please be sure to definitely subscribe and also ring that notification bell, so every time I upload a video, you would definitely be notified. And also, don't forget to follow all my socials, my Snapchat, my Twitter, my IG. Catch me on that TikTok as well. It is jams2535. And that's it. That is it. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.